nobody should be watching this video because nobody should be getting this question wrong. So hopefully I'm talking to literally nobody right now. This question has some clear instructions, right? Go to the second paragraph and what is a feature of biological interest? Start, here. Okay, so I'm going to start a sentence before just in case. The monomer unit consisting of phosphate, sugar, and base is known as a nucleotide. A lot of science doesn't mean anything to me. Don't care. The first feature of our structure, which is of biological interest, is that it consists of not one chain, but two. And look, DNA consisting of two chains is an answer. And they're talking about not one chain, but two. It's literally the same thing. We could be done with this question right here. Okay, that's why you can't get this wrong, is they use the phrase biological interest. They're pointing you at this very, very clearly. But I'm going to take another minute to get across the point that main ideas are repeated ideas, right? So do we really need to understand the science of DNA to understand what they're asking for here? Absolutely not. Look at what's repeated. If it's repeated, it's important. The first feature of our structure, which is of biological interest, is that it consists of not one chain, but of two. These two chains are both coiled around a common fiber axis. It has often been assumed that there was only one chain in the chemical formula. If there was only one chain in the chemical formula, there would only be one in the structural unit. Did I misread that? It has often been assumed that since there was only one chain in the chemical formula, there would only be one in the structural unit. However, the density taken with the X-ray evidence suggests that very strongly that there are two. This whole paragraph is about one or two chains, so that's clearly what's important. It's repeated, so it's important. That's how you want to approach the dense passages, the ones that are really tough because they're science, the ones that are really tough because they're 200 years old and hard to read. They're repeating themselves. Look for repetition. Don't worry about every little word or every little scientific thing. The repetition is what's going to matter. So trust the process here. If you got this wrong, there's a couple reasons why you shouldn't have, but big picture for the future, repeated ideas or main ideas or repeated ideas. Hopefully I've repeated that idea enough for you to get it.